everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a beautiful ribbon hair accessory organizer. Let's start! Start by preparing and cutting all the ribbon needed. For the 5 pieces of 3/8-inch ribbon, glue each end together. This will form the layers of our organizer. Take the 1.5-inch ribbon, which will be the base holder of our organizer.
Cover each end of the base holder with 3/8-inch ribbon to make it sturdier and more visually appealing. Also create a ribbon loop or hook at the top for hanging. Arrange the ribbon strips on the base holder and glue them in place.
And that's it, guys! You have now a stylish and functional ribbon hair accessory organizer. And don't forget to like, comment,
and subscribe for more craft videos.
Happy crafting!